someone new. You want to sound friendly, but suddenly your English becomes slow.
Yes, I know many words, but when I meet a new person, I don't know what to say.
That is why English chunks are powerful. You don't build every sentence word by word. You use natural phrases that native speakers use every day.
So today I can learn simple phrases for meeting new people?
Exactly. Today, you will learn 5 natural English chunks for first meetings and social confidence. Welcome back to FluentMindee, where you learn English in natural chunks, not word by word.
Today's topic is English chunks for meeting new people.
After this lesson, you will know how to greet someone, show interest, ask about connections, and start a friendly conversation.
That sounds useful for work, school, travel, and social events.
Yes, and we will practice slowly, normally, and naturally so you can speak with more confidence. Imagine this situation. Lena goes to a small company event after work. She sees many new people.
I want to talk, but I feel nervous. I don't want to sound boring.
A coworker introduces Lena to a new person named Daniel.
I need simple English that sounds warm and natural.
Perfect. In this situation, these 5 chunks will help you start a conversation smoothly. Here are today's 5 chunks. Number 1, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Number 2, I've heard a lot about you.
I've heard a lot about you.
Number 3, how do you know someone?
How do you know someone?
Number 4, it's great to meet you.
It's great to meet you.
Number 5, tell me about yourself.
Tell me about yourself.
These chunks are short, polite, and very useful when you meet someone for the first time. Let's break them down. Chunk 1, nice to meet you.
This means I am happy to meet you, right?
Yes, use it when someone introduces you to a new person.
Common mistake.
Some learners say nice to see you for a first meeting, but nice to see you is usually for someone you already know.
Better example. Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Great. Chunk 2, I've heard a lot about you.
This sounds friendly.
Yes, use it when someone has talked about this person before. It means, people told me good things about you.
Common mistake.
Don't say it in a strange or serious way. Smile and keep your voice friendly.
Better example. I've heard a lot about you from Sarah.
Chunk 3, how do you know Sarah?
This means, what is your connection with Sarah?
Exactly. Use it at parties, events, meetings, or group conversations.
Common mistake.
Don't say, how you know Sarah. You need do. How do you know Sarah?
Better example. How do you know our host?
Chunk 4, it's great to meet you.
Is it similar to nice to meet you?
Yes, but it can sound a little warmer and more enthusiastic.
Common mistake.
Don't say, it's great to meeting you. Say, it's great to meet you.
Better example. It's great to meet you in person.
Chunk 5, tell me about yourself.
This is useful when I want the other person to talk more.
Correct. Use it when you want to start a friendly conversation.
Common mistake.
Don't ask it too suddenly like an interview. Make it friendly.
So, tell me about yourself. What do you do?
Now, let's use all 5 chunks in one natural dialogue.
Great. I want to hear how they sound together.
Hi, Lena. This is Daniel from our marketing team.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Nice to meet you too, Lena.
I've heard a lot about you from Sarah. She said you worked on the new campaign.
That's right. Sarah is great. How do you know Sarah?
We studied together at university. It's great to meet you in person.
Same here. So, tell me about yourself.
Sure. I'm learning digital marketing, and I'm trying to improve my English for work.
That was natural, friendly, and confident.
I can see how chunks make the conversation easier.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Slow speed. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I've heard a lot about you.
I've heard a lot about you.
How do you know Sarah?
How do you know Sarah?
It's great to meet you.
It's great to meet you.
Tell me about yourself.
Tell me about yourself.
Normal speed. Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. How do you know Sarah? It's great to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. How do you know Sarah? It's great to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
Natural speed. Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. How do you know Sarah? It's great to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. How do you know Sarah? It's great to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
Let's reuse the chunks. Nice to meet you, Daniel. Nice to meet you, Lena. Nice to meet you, everyone.
I've heard a lot about you from Sarah. I've heard a lot about your work. I've heard a lot about this team.
How do you know Sarah? How do you know our host? How do you know each other?
It's great to meet you. It's great to meet you in person. It's great to finally meet you.
Tell me about yourself. Tell me about your work. Tell me about your English goals.
Mini challenge. Write one sentence using one chunk from today's lesson.
For example, it's great to meet you in person.
Or, I've heard a lot about your work.
Great job today. Remember, don't translate word for word. Speak in chunks.
Subscribe to FluentMindee to learn English in natural chunks.